Jasper here from Dynamics. Today I'm here to talk about animations using Keyshot 10 Pro. Animations inside Keyshot can be daunting, but they're a great way to show how a product will work, how it is assembled, or even how it interacts with other products. The animation button is used to open the animation workspace, and the animation wizard button is used to add a new animated aspect. Here we have the animation types. I'll give a quick overview of my most used animations and ways you can use them. Fade will change an object's transparency and is useful when hiding an object or showing objects later in a render. Rotation will rotate an object. Translation will move an object and can be used for basic movements like an exploded view, to advanced movements like moving a rotating object to make it appear like it's moving on a different axis. Camera animations are also important, and it's best to use one camera for the entire animation. Zoom allows you to zoom in and is normally used with translation to zoom in on angles. Orbit is also a great way to show off a product, as the lighting on the product will stay the same while the camera just moves around it. For more information about lighting in Keyshot, make sure to watch my Keyshot lighting video. Dynamics, ideas molded by experience.